In this lecture, we are going to look at the European Data Protection Board Opinion 28/2024. We will begin by defining what the EDPB is. We will then look at that opinion. And in short, that opinion provides guidance on 3 questions. Those questions are, number 1, when can models be considered anonymous? Number 2, is legitimate interest a valid basis for developing a model? And number 3, if data is processed unlawfully, is the model that is trained on that data also considered unlawful? For those that maybe have not taken my CIPPE Certification Masterclass or are not familiar with the GDPR, this is a little background information on what the EDPB is. Again, EDPB, this is an initialism for the European Data Protection Board. It is a collective body made up of national DPA or Data Protection Authority heads. The EDPB ensures consistent application of the GDPR across the EU and the EEA. It issues guidelines, settles disputes, and advises the European Commission on data protection-related issues. And just as a little bit of cocktail trivia for you to impress your colleagues at your next get-together, the European Data Protection Board was originally the Working Party 29. The EDPB was established by the GDPR and essentially made the WP29 a stronger, more independent organization with a broader mandate. For the exam, you need to know what EDPB Opinion 28/24 is. The long title for this document is On Certain Data Protection Aspects Related to the Processing of Personal Data in the Context of AI Models. And the opinion addresses 3 questions. First, when and how can AI models be considered anonymous? Number 2, whether and how legitimate interest can be used as a legal basis for developing or using AI models. And number 3, what happens if an AI model is developed using personal data that was processed unlawfully? On the question of anonymity, the GDPR has a very high bar for what is considered anonymous data. In short, on this question, AI models that are trained on anonymous data are not automatically considered anonymous. The EDPB has said that a model is only anonymous if it is impossible to extract the original personal data from the model, and the model does not allow for re-identification. If these conditions are not met, the model is treated as personal data and is therefore subject to the GDPR. You'll remember from earlier in the course, we looked at the 6 legal bases for the collection and processing of personal data under the GDPR. One of those legal bases is legitimate interest. And the question here is whether or not an organization can develop an AI model using this legal basis. The EDPB has said that yes, this is a valid legal basis for training a model on personal data. However, the developer must apply a 3-step test. And this is the same 3-step test that data controllers undergo when they are determining whether or not they have a legitimate interest legal basis for processing personal data. That 3-step process is identifying the purpose, the necessity, and then conducting a balancing test. For purpose, the data controller, or in this case the developer, needs to consider whether there is a real lawful aim for model development. And this 3-step test is very similar to the same 3-step test a data controller would undergo in order to consider if the collection and processing of personal data was lawful. The wording here is slightly different, but the principles are consistent. Concerning model development, the EDPB has said that the developer must apply a 3-step test. For purpose, the developer must consider whether there is a real lawful aim for model development. Number 2, for necessity, that data processing must strictly achieve that aim or that purpose. And number 3, for the balancing test, the developer's interests must not override the fundamental rights and freedoms of data subjects. And the final question that this opinion deals with concerns unlawful data processing. And the EDPB has said that if the data processing was unlawful, that is the creation, the collection, the processing, the preparation of the training data, the resulting model may also be unlawful. Unfortunately for practitioners, that's about as much as we get. However, for test takers, that's pretty straightforward. The answer is maybe. The EDPB has also said that DPAs, again, data protection authorities, may have the power to order deletion of an entire model if that model is considered to have been trained on unlawfully processed training data. So DPAs may not order just the deletion of the training data, but perhaps the entire model as well. In this lecture, we have looked at EDPB Opinion 2824. Remember that the EDPB is a collective body made up of national data protection authorities under the EU AI Act. It considers consistent application of the GDPR across the EU and EEA, and it issues guidelines, settles disputes, and advises the European Commission. This opinion deals with 3 issues. The first is anonymity. The EDPB has decided that AI models trained on anonymous data are not automatically anonymous themselves. The models would only be considered anonymous if it's impossible to extract original personal data from the model, and the model does not allow for re-identification. Concerning legitimate interest, developers need to undergo a 3-part test that includes considering the purpose, the necessity, and conducting a balancing test. And finally, if a model is trained on unlawfully processed or prepared training data, the model itself may also be considered unlawful.